Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you these sailor hats. It's so simple and so fast crocheting. You can do that easily. I crochet this one with cotton yarns. I crochet this one with paper yarn. And I use both of them 4mm hook. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments. And also don't forget, subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. If you can change my videos voice and subtitles from here. Also, if my video comes so speedy, please click and slow me down. Don't forget it. And I have an update here. I give information about this hat. You can make this basic circle. I told 70 or 18 centimeter, but it's for a child. If you want to make it for an adult, you need this base increasing part 20 or 21 centimeter. Okay, if you want to make a child, you can make it 17 centimeter. If you want to make it more bigger, you can make it 22 or 23, etc. Okay, and I prefer to say that if you use cotton yarns, you can do that one centimeter less. If you use this rigid paper yarn, you need to make 21, 22. Okay, because it's not so flexible. I give all the details in the video, but again I want to say, if you have any questions, please leave me comments. You can do that easily. It's a little trick. It's also a basic hat pattern. Okay, if you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple sailor hat. Let's start crochet. I want to use on my sailor hat both these colors. I want to mix them. You can choose more thicker yarns than me. I don't have like this yarn, so I want to use these cotton yarns together. These are yarn art jeans, and this is 45% of acrylic, 55% of cotton, and this is one ball is 50 grams and it's equal to 160 meter. So you can use, if you want to use only one yarn, you need to use 100 gram is 160 meters. Okay, I will use them double folded. I want to mix them. This color is 11, this color is 52, and you can wash in 30 degrees. Low degree ironing, you can make it. They recommend us using 3.5 millimeter hook with only one yarn, but I use them together, and I will use 4 millimeter hook because I want to this piece needs to be more rigid and thick. I want to touch it like that. So you can use like that, and you can choose your hook with suitable of your yarn. I will use these colors together. Okay, this is so simple. We start as usual, round style. First of all, make a slip knot and chain 4 and fill it with 6 single crochet, or you can start like me, my easy way magic ring, and fill it with 6 single crochet. It's your choice. You can start which type you want. Okay, I will get my both colors like that. I hope it looks as I imagine that. I will hold my yarn like that and make a circle. Grab my yarn and insert that hole, then chain 1. Don't let them go. Okay, Insert that hole, grab your yarn. You have 2 loops, pull through together and make single crochet. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. A little pull this tail. 5 and 6. And pull that yarn tightly and close this hole. 2, 4 and 6. Insert the first one here. Then both loops you will take and make here a slip stitch. We will make this slip stitch only this first round, okay? Then chain 1 and not count. So we lock this starting point, it's not getting open, okay? Every round shape patterns, you will increase the second round, make 2 single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is my first stitch. I insert, grab my yarn, 1 and make 1 more in the same stitch, 2. Next stitch, 1 and 2. Next stitch, 1 and 2. I have totally 6. Next one, 7 and 8. Next one, also hide this tail, 2, 9 and 10. And the last one here, 11 and 12. You can put a marker here. After this, we will not make a slip stitch. All around we crochet round and round. This is our second row. At the end of we have 12 single crochet. Now one stitch I will make 1 single crochet, the second stitch I will make 2. So I will increase them every 2 stitch 1 single crochet. You have 2, next round you have 3 here. Okay, every round we will increase this section 1 by 1. At the end of the third row you will have 18. First one here, I will put a tail so we will find it easily. Here, first one, 1, next one, 2. 1 and 2. I have here totally 3. Next one, 1, next one, 2. 1, next one, 2. 1, next one, 2. 1, next one, 2 single crochet. And the last section, 1, here 2, 1 and 2. We will count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. We have 18 single crochet, and take my yarn here and put it again here. Now this time we have here 6 sections. You know we start because 6 single crochet. This section you have 3 stitches, okay, don't forget. So you will increase always the last stitch, the third one here. Next round you will increase the fourth one, because every section, every row increase row 1 by 1. Here this time 1, the second stitch 1, and the third stitch 2, 1 and 2. Now this is the second section, 1, next one 1, and the third one 2, 1 and 2. Third section, 1, 1 and 2. fifth section, 1, 1 and 2. Sorry, this is fourth section, this is fifth. 1, 1, third stitch 2, 1 and 2. And the last one, here we have 3 stitches left, 1, 1 and the third one here 2. At the end of this fourth round you will have 24 single crochet. Take this yarn here and put it here. You have 24 stitches, you have 6 sections, so every part you have 4 stitches. So you will, what will you do? 1, 1, 1 and the fourth one 2. 1, 1, 1 and the fourth one 2. This time, this section, next round you will have 5. So this time you will 4 times make 1 single crochet, on the fifth one 2. This time you will have 6. 5 next round 5 times 1, the sixth one 2. You will have 7. Next round you will have 6 stitch, 1 single crochet, on the seventh one 2 single crochet. You will increase, make your control. I will increase that until my round circumference is 17 centimeter or 18. I will look at that. I will make it nearly 17 or 18. I will turn to you and I will tell you how will we keep going. Okay, I complete and turn to you. I crochet totally 10 rows and it's equal to, look at this, 6 centimeter. Okay, now we will do so easy thing. Now usually we going this side, but not make any chain and turn my work. I will crochet this side and chain 1 and not count, insert into the same and using back loop here. And I will crochet 1 single crochet using only back loop. Okay. Turn all around like that. I come to end and turn to you. I come to end and don't forget here a little stitch, last stitch, make here one more. After this again we will crochet, turn all around here, but not make any back loop, usual single crochet we will, like this. Turn all around like that. I think nearly 10 rounds I will crochet. Look at this, I will show you. When we crochet this 10 rows, this is easily turning out like that. Okay, we will crochet nearly 10 rows around, I don't know, I will crochet then turn to you, but not make a back loop, usual stitch you will make like this. Okay, complete mine and turn to you. I complete this part. I crochet 2, 4, 6, 8 and 9 rounds. Okay, this is my, here is the starting point. Now we will make here a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut our yarns. and hide these tails. That's it. I made here one in paper yarn. I like it too. It's so simple, only make rounds and then crochet as same stitches. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments. And you can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.